Imagine you're a team leader trying to organize your team's projects and tasks. You've heard about Asana, a popular project management tool, but you're not sure if it's right for your team, especially if it's going to cost you a pretty penny. So the burning question is Asana free in Teams? Let's dive into the world of Asana and find out. Context. Asana has been gaining popularity among teams of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. It's known for its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and ability to streamline workflows. But the question of cost is always a concern, especially for teams with limited budgets. Understanding Asana's pricing model. Before we answer the main question, let's take a look at Asana's pricing model. Asana offers a free basic plan, but it's limited in features. If you need more advanced functionalities like custom fields, time tracking, and advanced reporting, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The free plan, what you get and what you don't. Let's break down what you can and can't do with the free Asana plan. While it's a great starting point for small teams, it might not be enough for teams with complex projects or larger team sizes. We'll discuss the limitations of the free plan and explore some of the key features that are only available in the paid tiers. Paid plans. A breakdown of features and cost. Now, let's talk about Asana's paid plans. We'll discuss the different tiers, their features, and the cost associated with each. We'll also compare the paid plans to the free plan to help you determine if the additional features are worth the investment. Is Asana free in Teams? The answer. Finally, we'll answer the question that brought you here. Is Asana free in Teams? We'll provide a clear and concise answer, taking into account the features you need and your team's budget. Additional considerations. Beyond the pricing, there are other factors to consider when choosing Asana for your team. We'll discuss the learning curve, integration capabilities, and customer support. We'll also provide tips on getting started with Asana and maximizing its benefits. Alternatives to Asana. Just in case Asana doesn't fit your needs, we'll briefly explore some popular alternatives to Asana. We'll compare their features, pricing, and target audience. Asterisk to summarize, while Asana offers a free basic plan, it may not be sufficient for teams with complex needs. The paid plans offer more advanced features, but they come at a cost. Ultimately, the decision of whether to choose Asana and which plan to select depends on your team's specific requirements and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.